The S25 Ultra doesn't support MagSafe charging, but with these, it can. Let's go. The Galaxy S25 Ultra was hotly tipped to support Qi 2 wireless charging, but it doesn't. But that's okay, because with these accessories from Torres, you can actually enable it. They sent me out a whole bunch of accessories to check out, headlined by the Torres O-Stand 360 case. Torres are sort of the starters of this whole thing, the thing that can flip out, rotate through, and clip back with a magnet on the back. That's them. Because you are most likely to put a phone on your case, you really should get a case that actually has some functionality to go with the protection. That's where this comes in. I just got back from Unpacked, and it's a whirlwind trip. You're either in your hotel room or you're out. There's really no in between. In my hotel room, having a case like this with me, and I could just lie down in bed comfortably, prop this up at multiple different angles because of the way the hinge works. It's not just one angle. You've got multiple that you can find to be comfortable, and I can watch media, especially with how good the screen is. You don't want to be holding it either. Although it is light, I should say that, but obviously not holding it is better than holding it. But it's not just on landscape either. You can prop it up into portrait, which is great for maybe consuming shorts if you're that way inclined to scroll, or if you want to read news articles. It's great to just prop it up and let the cases carry the load for you. The other thing this could be really good for is recording, some A-roll or some talking to camera, or maybe like a quick short, because you can just prop it up with the case at the back, prop it up into this standing position, and then talk into it like I am right now. It's very, very handy. I also used it for a bit of light gaming with a controller, just sort of sitting there on the end of the bed and having it propped up on the table. It was super good for that. This is normally the stuff I like foldables for, because you can just prop the foldable up and away you go with your content. But if you don't have a foldable, this is definitely the next best thing. When I got to the lounge at the airport, I'll come back to the rest of the trip in a moment. Having this case again was just so beneficial, especially with the gaming part I mentioned, because I had Call of Duty Warzone to play and Sonic, a bit of nostalgia. And just having that case stand here meant I could easily just play the levels of Sonic, and I didn't have my hands intruding on the screen either. It was just a clear full screen experience, and the case sort of saved me there. It was pretty much like having a gaming console with the quality of the display that the S25 Ultra has got as well. You'll see a bit of the gameplay now. I played a bit of Sonic. Amazing that you can play that on a phone now. And Call of Duty Warzone, which is hard. I much prefer Call of Duty on the console, but I'm a bit old now. The thing with gaming on a phone, even with a 1.4 times larger vaping chamber, even with a 5,000 mAh battery, you still can sometimes have battery drain due to the intensity of the game and potential for the phone to maybe heat up a bit. That is where the O-Stand Polar charger comes into the chat. This is a Qi 2 compatible charger, which means snaps onto the back magnetically. And it even has its little O-Stand of its own that can rotate around. Apart from just being a charger that you can plug in to a USB-C and then clip onto the back, it's also a cooling fan. It's got a little fan in here, and then it will actually cool this plate on the back and then transfer that sort of coolness to the back of your phone, keeping it cool while you're in your gameplay. And it's just so small. Like, you just snap it off the back. You can either put it into your pocket or you can put it into your little travel bag that you have, and it doesn't take up much space. It's even got a little button here if you want to turn the fan off when you don't need it. Honestly, it just made travel that much more bearable. Being able to take it around and about, prop it up in different places, hotel room, lounge, just made me have no reservations about using the phone out and about too, because the protection on this thing is the next part. The thing that I really appreciate is the raised edges around here. So when you do have the phone in the case, there is the lip that it's got, and you can sort of see it raised a little bit. Also at the back too, it's sort of completely sort of raised above the camera lenses, so it sort of sits flush. And that suited me really nicely, because when I was in San Francisco, we went on the tram that goes sort of up to the top and sort of down back to the bottom. When I was doing that, I wanted to capture some log footage because I was putting that to the test. And I could squish this against the window frame and it'd be flush against the window, and I'm not worried about the camera scratching against the glass of the window. Say window more. And also the protection of the lip made me feel confident in holding it there, and if I did drop it, the screen would be protected. So one thing I did notice with the raised lip, I use the edge panels, and with the edge panels right here, it can sometimes make it a bit hard to access it. Just something I noticed. So you might have to either change the edge panel size or just not use them, or just get used to it, because you can do that as well. But it's worth having, because when you put it against a window or when you put it flat down on a table, it's got that protection to protect the display. And adding extra protection to the display as well is the screen protector they have on offer. Honestly, I grew up hating screen protectors. Not because I hated the way they felt or how they looked. Maybe it was mainly because of how they looked, because people never put them on right. I could never put them on, so I just avoided it. I used to watch staff in retail stores like Vodafone, for example, struggle day in, day out to put screen protectors on. I felt sorry for them. But Torres have made it so easy. You literally just take the packet out, read the instructions, because they're very, very simple, put the little mechanism over the phone, pull it out, let it sort of self-heal, take it off, peel it off, and you're done. Like, it's on there now. You will need to re-register your fingerprint if you have already done that. So you just need to remove it and then add it again. But once it gets added again, it works. This gives you the total protection package. From the case to the screen protector, your whole phone should be protected, ready for you to maybe sell it in 2 years' time in perfect condition, or just keep it in good condition for yourself. I want to thank Torres for sponsoring this video. There is a link to these products in the description. The little wireless charger stand, the case, and the screen protector are all down there. Hit subscribe if you want more S25 content, plenty more still to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You!